Hello everyone, I am Venkatesh from ACEG Engineering College, currently pursuing my B.Tech 4th year in the stream of Information Technology. Generally, laboratories plays a crucial role in every engineering student's life. I am here to share my experience about our IT laboratory. Our IT department is equipped with 250 Dell systems with a professional environment in which each individual will be trained. For example, C, C++, Java, Python, PHP, SQL, etc. will have hands-on sessions and subjects in laboratory itself. Practicing more in the lab with sophisticated equipment gives you a firm foundation in every aspect to gain software skills. Our IT department believes practical knowledge is more important in an engineering student's career. That's the reason every programming subject deals hands-on session only. Our IT department also helps in process of implementing mini and major projects as well. This is how our IT department makes students achieve their software skills. And also we can use our IT labs apart from lab timings to improve our technical skills. Dear students, thanks for listening. Enjoy your coding.